How to sign up for a Photomath account. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Photomath app, but you need to keep in mind that you do not need to create a Photomath account in order to use the basic features of the app. So after you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you're in the app, you will see this kind of interface. It'll open up the camera app directly. From here, you can scan a math problem with your device camera. And after that, it'll show you the step-by-step solutions. For example, if I scan this problem over here and capture it, it'll give me all the solutions over here. So you do not need to sign up for any account in this app. You only need to create an account for the Photomath if you want to access the premium features like animated tutorials and deeper explanations with Photomath Plus. If you want to access the Photomath Plus, tap on this 3 lines icon in the top left corner. Select this Photomath Plus option. From here you can buy the packages. There are different packages you can choose from it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.